This is a one-man bleeder. Just hook up a hose to the bleeder screw, break it open, start pumping it. You see this is all fluid in here now. Probably already pushed the air out. Didn't even get much fluid in the container because it's all sitting in this tube. You got to put the your reservoir above the brake line so the air goes up. You want the air to go up, bubbles come out like this. It's like gravity thing. You do it in plumbing and stuff. You put the loop in so the gases don't come back. Same concept, but with air bubbles. You just come over here and pump your brakes. Check your reservoir. Make sure you're not low. You probably can't see that there's a line in there, but it's still near the top. I'm about to go all around. I'm starting from the furthest back, which is how most people do. I'm about to come to this rear wheel, two fronts. It's much easier to do than bringing your friend over here and yelling at him. It's always aggravating. Someone in the truck. You pressing the brakes? Press them now. You pressing the brakes? So you don't want to hear all that nonsense, then this might be the easiest way to do it. It's right over there. I'm surprised how clean the fluid is that's actually coming out of there, but I lost a lot of fluid, so it's probably mostly new fluid in there. Damn caliper's always breaking. There's another look at it.